Bum, 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 bum. In a sunny farm so wide and green lived Red Hen, bright and keen. She found some seeds, shiny and small. Who helped me plant? She asked them all. The dog said, not me, I'm too tired. The cat purred, sleeps what I desire. The duck quacked, maybe later, friend. So Hen said, fine, I'll plant 10. She dug the ground and sowed each seed. She gave them water, yes indeed. The sun came out, the shoots did grow. Red Hen smiled, row by row. Now golden wheat waved in the breeze. She called her friends with gentle ease. Who'll help me cut this wheat today? Not I! They all began to say. She cut the wheat and ground it fine. She worked so hard but didn't whine. Who'll bake with me? She called once more. No time, they said, and closed their door. She cut the wheat and ground it fine. She worked so hard but didn't whine. Who'll bake with me? She called once more. No time, they said, and closed their door. The bread came out all warm and sweet. The smell of joy filled every street. The friends ran fast. Oh, what a sight! We'll help to eat, they yelled in delight. Red Hen said, no, that isn't fair. You didn't help me anywhere. When work was here, you turned away. Now I'll enjoy my bread today. If you want to share the tasty treat, you must help make the work complete. Lend your hand, don't run away. Good friends help each other every day. Hard work shines, it makes you proud. It lifts your heart, it cheers the crowd. So when there's work, don't ever hide. Join your friends and work with pride.